Hi, I'm Ming Ning.
And I'm Jennifer. So I am looking to replace my bathroom sink faucet and my kitchen sink faucet.
All right, let's take a look.
All right, I'm so excited.
Hey, Jen.
Hey!
Why do you want to replace your kitchen faucet?
So it comes out just flat and like straight into the middle of the sink, which is efficient, it's fine. But I don't really love handles like this all the time. But also I don't have a sprayer. Like I want to be able to like pull this out and like clean my entire sink.
Mm-hmm.
Right now I just like use a cup or just my sponge,
Yeah.
So I'd like to be able to pull it out and have a sprayer to like actually clean the whole sink. And I would prefer to have one that comes maybe a little bit higher of an arch.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so just taking a look at Jen's sink, we can see that this was probably 3 holes before. It is an older home, so most likely it had like the hot and cold handle, but now standard is for kitchen faucets to have just one handle. And then there's a 4th hole for a sprayer, or some people have a 4th hole for the soap dispenser. So when she goes to shop for a kitchen faucet, she just wants to make sure that it says it's a 3-hole faucet. And you don't care what finish you, right? This is chrome, which is like a shiny, and then this is like a brushed. If you go online, they're gonna have more finishes if that's something you need. But
I guess
you don't really.
No. I feel like the sink is more this chrome
Yeah.
color, so I guess I would want it to match that.
So the brands that plumbers tend to prefer are Moen, Kohler, and Delta. Especially if you're buying a faucet that you want to last a long time, and let's say you don't want to have to keep on buying faucets if something goes wrong. You want the plumber to be able to come in and like just fix a part of it. They're gonna most likely have repair kits for Moen, Kohler, and Delta. The other brands, it's going to be harder to repair. You're probably most likely going to have to replace it unless you want to dish out more money. When you've picked out the one that you like style-wise, you should look it up in the app or on the website of the store that you're buying it from. Eddie says that usually the reviews are pretty reliable because some are just like, some models just really suck, or some models are more consistently like good quality. So like, if you like that one, I would Google Delta Grant and see what the reviews are. Oh yeah.
4.1 stars.
Oh yeah.
So for the bathroom, this is just really low. I would like the arch to be a lot higher and the faucet like maybe ending like here. So I guess the handles, like, I don't have a preference whether it's this kind or like the one.
Single handle.
Yeah, single handle. I just would really like to have a higher arch on it.
Okay.
Sink faucets, kitchen, bathroom, whatever. Like, how do I know what to replace it with? Like, I don't want to get like a wrong size.
Okay, so when it comes to bathroom faucets, you pretty much have 3 options. In older homes or like fancy master baths, you're gonna have an 8-inch spread. So that means the hot and cold handles, you're gonna have 2 separate handles and they're 8 inches apart. And then, but more commonly, you're gonna have, in your powder rooms or in your other bathrooms, you're gonna have a 4-inch spread where the hot and cold handle are 4 inches apart. The distance between the 2 handles, the hot and cold, is 4 inches. And then the last option is a single handle. And these can be installed on the 4-inch spread sinks. It just depends on where the holes are drilled in your sink. Thanks so much for watching our channel. If you want more tips on plumbing and how to figure out what you need for your home, hit subscribe.